Hey YouTube, DiveMaster03 here. Had some issues with a recent upload of a video of a site installation. This is a do-over for me, so bear with me. I'm learning this whole process. But anyways, what I have for you today is a site installation of the Advantage Tactical sights, and I'm going to be installing them on my FNS 9mm. I have chosen yellow inserts for the front sight, this one here, and the rear sight. So bear with me here, and I will get going on this. Okay. I have already filed this down to fit. All it takes is a brass punch and a hammer. That looks pretty good there. And the rear sight, pretty simple too. You just slide it in. Tighten up the little set screw. Make sure it's lined up properly, which it is. And that is it. I'm going to remove it. And that's the sight picture that it provides. It finishes a triangle. I'll pull it out here. I'm going to set it over here. These come with the kit. These 5 colors combinations. You can mix and match, obviously. There are 4 shims. I now have the thinnest shim, which is the red shim. I shot it for about a month without, and it was shooting high. These are by design, will shoot high, so I shimmed it up to bring your sight picture down. Now for the front sight, it will need to be fitted, which is why I have the file out, just for purposes of showing you the file that I used. Don't try to put these in without fitting them to a certain extent, because you will damage, possibly ruin your front sight. Anyways, I really like these sights. I love them. They provide a good sight picture, quick sight acquisition. They are large. For someone like me whose eyesight is not the best, they are a great sight. Anyways, that is my opinion of these sights. I do highly recommend them. They're easy to install if you take your time. And thanks for watching. See you later.